Hi, thank you very much for joining today's meeting. Before starting the meeting, I introduce myself briefly. I am Khadija from Bangladesh. The purpose of today's meeting is there are many opportunities to work in many areas within your YouTube channel. I want to solve them for you so that you can see very good result on YouTube. I want to decorate your YouTube channel according to the terms and condition of YouTube so that you can see much better result of your YouTube channel. Also, I will do on page and off page SEO for your YouTube so that your YouTube channel videos can be seen in Google and YouTube top search result. Budget is not an issue here. I want to make your business much better for marketing so that you can see good result in your business. So first of all, I want to create your channel analytics report and that I can tell you how to make it work and what is the budget. Before starting the work, I will organize all your documents into notes in a Google Sheet and show you. And if any change is required anywhere, I will change it to discussion with you. The requires access to your channel so I can generate a report. To be honest, if we want to market our YouTube channel, then the first thing we have to look at is what are our target keywords. Also, we need to see where our audience is coming from, whether there is a good thumbnail added in the video of our channel. Also, we should note that our YouTube video title, description and keyword are correct or not. Yes, I have successfully completed many tasks so far. Yes, I will send all my information in your mail or on your messenger. Dear, if you want, I can start your work now. Add me as a manager to your channel to get started. If you have problem to add me, you can let me know and I will help you. I am a digital marketer and so I know how to find a buyer. I found you through lead generation. Of course, because I will do my work in 100% organic way through which you will gradually see good result. To be honest, all social media need to be done continuously for good result. I mainly work on weekly or monthly also. If you want, I am willing to work for you on a project basis. The project is that I will work on 10 of your videos or a month in exchange for which you will pay a fixed price. So bye bye, take care. Nice to meet you. Assalamu alaikum.